In 2025, finance is set for a digital revolution. 8 predictions highlight how technology will transform the CFO's role and reshape finance functions. First, finance cycles will shift to real-time operations. No more waiting for periodic reports to make decisions. Instant data access will drive smarter, quicker choices. Next, self-service will become the norm. While this empowers teams, CFOs may feel uneasy about relinquishing control. From Sumerian merchants recording sales on clay tablets to today's advanced digital tools, finance technology has come a long way. The future is now, and organizations must adapt to stay competitive in this digital landscape. The key to thriving in this new era? Finventa. This integrated platform harnesses modern digital finance architecture and disruptive technologies, enabling deeper insights and faster outcomes across operational, business, and specialized finance. As finance evolves, embracing these changes will be crucial for success. The tools are here, and they're only getting better. Stay ahead of the curve and prepare for a future where finance is more efficient, insightful, and real-time. The transformation is not just a prediction, it's a reality waiting to unfold.